This image won first place at the Colorado State Fair's Fine Art Competition and $300. Absolutely stunning, right? Shockingly enough, though, the winner generated it with artificial intelligence, and the other contestants were furious. We once imagined technology would help us with monotonous, repetitive tasks so we could paint, write, and basically live life. But technology can do a lot more, and it's evolving exponentially. To stay ahead of the curve, you have to learn about these new technologies and figure out how to use them to your advantage. And we've got your back. Here are 15 disruptive technologies that can make you rich. Welcome to Alux.com, the place where future billionaires come to get inspired. Number 1. Artificial intelligence. Artists, watch out. OpenAI recently released DALL-E to the wider public. Now anyone can make beautiful art just by typing in a few words. Just make an account on their website and they'll give you 50 free credits to start. You're welcome. PwC predicts that AI might add $15.7 trillion to the global economy in 2030. Sundar Pichai, the CEO of Google, thinks that AI will be more important than fire or electricity. The applications of AI are endless. Language processing, digital assistants, gene sequencing, robots, investing, facial recognition, and many, many more. Think about it. The world's best players at chess, Go, and poker are AIs. Google's Lambda chatbot even made a former engineer believe it was sentient. And AI can even write code at a competitive level. AI is everywhere. We won't even get into the concepts like singularity, artificial consciousness, or AIs that have emotions. We're not quite there yet. But how far away are we really? Number 2. Web 3. Cryptocurrencies made a lot of millionaires overnight. CZ made over $50 billion with Binance in less than 5 years. Plus, anyone can create their own money now. If you're an artist, you can leverage NFTs to directly connect your art with your audience. As Brian Brooks puts it, what makes Web 3.0 different is the ability to own the actual network. And that's what crypto assets themselves represent, an ownership stake in an underlying network. Web3 is already being used by governments, large corporations, and financial institutions. Google just partnered with Coinbase to implement Web3 solutions. Bitcoin was just the beginning. It was the first time money could be sent over the internet without having to trust a middleman. Even former Twitter CEO Jack Dorsey went all in with payment startup named Square. But we now have Web3 with DeFi, smart contracts, the metaverse, DAOs, stablecoins, and so on. The blockchain can store anything that can be coded, which is mind-boggling. Are you waiting for blockchain ID cards or central bank digital currencies to get into crypto? Number 3. Internet of Things. By 2025, IoT might be worth $1.5 trillion. McKinsey forecasts even more trillions. Alphabet, Amazon, Cisco, IBM, Microsoft, and Oracle, they've all invested extensively into IoT technology. Schwab says that today it is economically feasible to connect literally anything to the internet. IoT means devices connected to and through the internet. These devices capture data via sensors that may be shared and analyzed. Sensors are in billions or trillions of items, including computers, appliances, clothes, accessories, cars. The list is endless. These sensors are getting smaller, cheaper, and smarter. Like, what if your fridge could order food for you when it's running out? With the Internet of Things, companies and customers can remotely monitor orders in real time. IoT might just be the right answer to what we should feed AI to make our lives better. Number 4. Advanced robotics. It's estimated that robotics will be a $500 billion industry by 2025. Boston Dynamics builds unbelievable humanoid robots. They're skilled at parkour, jumping, and running over rough terrain. Spot, the fastest dog robot, can run at 1.6 meters per second. Elon Musk showed off Optimus, a humanoid robot that's learning to walk and may do your chores in the future. There are robots used in agriculture. Da Vinci revolutionized medicine by permitting robotic surgery. Car manufacturers like Tesla and Honda have made enormous progress with autonomous vehicles. Amazon and Walmart are delivering packages to their customers with these flying robots. Bionics also allows people who've lost their legs to walk again. Robots are everywhere. Number 5. 3D printing. People worldwide are printing all sorts of items to make money, like PlayStation controller stands and toys. If you have a digital model, you can print pretty much everything you want. You could buy a 3D printer for as little as a few $100 or $1,000. Our world can now easily make highly customized 3D objects. 3D printing even targets electronic circuits, human tissues, cells, and organs like livers and hearts. Researchers are even trying out 4D printing to make materials that change shape and react to their environment. Even big brands like Nike and Adidas have chipped in. What if you could print organs with fully integrated electronic circuits or internet-connected clothes? The future looks pretty interesting here. Number 6. Advanced connectivity. 3G is up to 50 times faster than 2G. 4G is up to 500 times faster than 3G. And 5G is almost instant because it can reach speeds of up to 10 gigabytes per second. Samsung is working on 6G, which might lead to immersive extended reality, high-fidelity holograms, and digital replicas. We even have internet satellites. There's Starlink, which launched over 3,000 internet satellites into orbit. Amazon is also looking to launch 2 satellites in early 2023. China claims to have launched the first 6G satellite already. Cars can communicate to avoid obstacles. VR reaction time improves. Surgical robots and drones can be controlled more accurately. This is deeply transforming for a society constantly connected to the internet. It massively impacts AI, IoT, and robotics. Number 7. Cloud and edge computing. Computation is moving to the cloud. Amazon, Microsoft, and Google are major players in this area, but the amount of data transferred daily is increasing. The number of IoT devices and autonomous vehicles is growing like mad. Software is becoming more complex and computationally pretty expensive. The cloud is simply not enough to offer you an instant response on your devices. And here's where edge computing innovates. Edge computing is meant to bring computation as near to your device, so you're not sending data to the cloud, but to the local edge devices. And this enables greater speed, security, and scalability at a lower cost. So, is edge computing replacing cloud computing? Well, no. Both technologies will coexist, but some computation will move from the cloud to the edge. Number 8. Virtual and augmented realities. The metaverse has been on everyone's lips for a year, yet few understand it. In total, Google, Microsoft, and Meta have spent over $100 billion on metaverse visions. People now party, create art, and visit art galleries in the metaverse. McKinsey says that the metaverse could generate $5 trillion in value by 2030. But behind the metaverse, there are VR and AR technologies that are transforming the world. Johns Hopkins employs AR for spine surgery. Snow World used VR Snow to alleviate discomfort when changing a burn victim's bandages. VR helps with height phobias, body dysmorphia, and eating problems. DHL has used smart glasses with augmented reality for logistics. Imagine a totally immersive VR experience. What happens when you can't tell the real from the virtual? Number 9. Quantum technology. Quantum computers might execute some things tenfold quicker, and some researchers think that quantum computers might even allow data teleportation without physical transmission. A quantum computer can search a database in the square root of time a normal computer does. Imagine solving centuries-old math, physics, and chemistry issues in minutes. Quantum computers might also decrypt existing encryption methods in seconds. That's why companies like Intel are already working on quantum-proof security. Now, quantum computers are not yet available to the wider public, but researchers think we're pretty close. What will the world look like when we get there? Number 10. Sharing platforms. You can now leverage your assets to make money more easily. Digital platforms like Airbnb and Uber have created a model of doing business. People are shifting away from ownership to accessibility. Why buy a Tesla and a beach house when you can rent them and be a nomad? It helps society distribute finances and resources. It redefines jobs and gives ways to produce money and engage in the economy rather than the traditional methods. The sharing model has the potential to go beyond cars and houses. The model could work great with labor, working spaces, expertise, tools, equipment, and even excess food supplies. Number 11. Computerized agriculture. Around 1 billion people sleep hungry every night. Food is a real problem we have to tackle, and agriculture could be the way to go. Agriculture has never been easier. Technology made it so. We now have vertical farms, indoor farms, and floating farms. You could grow plants in a container. Even soil is not necessary anymore. With AI and smart devices, you can precisely control how the crops are growing, from when to water and what nutrients to use in the exact quantities. You could even enhance the flavor in your plants. Number 12. Nanotechnology. Nanotechnology is reshaping the world at a molecular level. In 2022, UW researchers unveiled battery-free wireless devices that can travel a kilometer in dry, windy, and warm conditions. We've even got nanoparticles that are treating cancer patients. Devices are getting smaller and smaller. Smart dust is becoming a reality. In the future, nano devices might monitor your health and help you to cure illnesses early. They could monitor city infrastructure, combat environmental calamities, and purify water. Nanotechnology could also allow for self-replicating and self-assembling systems. I mean, really, nanotechnology could open up some new sci-fi realms. Number 13. New materials. Graphene is 200 times stronger than steel and 1,000,000 times thinner than a human hair. It's also one of the most expensive materials on Earth. When graphene becomes accessible, imagine how much it'll impact manufacturing and infrastructure. Researchers and companies are now testing borophene. It's more flexible and stronger than graphene. Elon Musk even thought it might replace ion batteries. MIT engineers discovered a plastic that's stronger than steel and can be mass-produced. Just imagine the impact that will have on construction. There's also the recently developed smart plastics. Some areas are firm and inflexible, others are soft and stretchy. This could improve robot flexibility, for example, but there's a lot more to it. Gels that change shape when exposed to light, smart glass, strong biomaterials like spider silk, and self-healing materials are being researched and tested as we speak. Number 14. Biotechnology. Biotechnology redefines humanity. In 2022, a genetically modified pig heart was transplanted into a human body. Gene sequencing is booming. A human genome can be sequenced in hours for less than $1,000. For comparison, the first human genome sequencing took 20 years and billions of dollars. Some even propose a DNA internet. Imagine a database of millions of genomes that might help tackle health, agricultural, and environmental issues. CRISPR was the first technology to modify genomes by cutting DNA strands. You could alter the DNA of animals to change what they eat or generate weather-resistant crops. And what about designer human beings? He Jiankui was sentenced to 3 years in prison in 2018 for manipulating the genes of 2 human embryos to make them HIV-free. This subject is extremely delicate and raises several ethical questions. Should we really play with gene editing? Where are the boundaries here? But the possibilities of these technologies to cure illnesses and enhance humans are mind-boggling. Number 15. Neurotechnology. Remember when Neuralink posted the video of Pager playing Pong? If controlling things with your mind isn't revolutionary, we don't know what else is. Neuralink and others are trying to connect the human brain to computers. Humans can now control robotic limbs with their mind, even exoskeletons. Just imagine controlling your IoT devices telepathically. Neurological implants cure strokes and epilepsy and restore colorblindness. They even allow people with paralysis to write text with their thoughts. Dementia, Alzheimer's, and paralysis might be treatable in a few decades. Elon Musk even suggests Neuralink could cure morbid obesity. It could also boost productivity and help judges to find criminal intent in court. What if you were able to communicate with others telepathically, Aluxer? Would you like to be able to download data directly into your brain? What would you like to do with your brain? Tell us in the comments. And since you've stayed with us until this point, here's another disruptive technology that might be more important than you think. Number 16. Clean energy. It's said that whoever solves clean energy will be the world's first trillionaire. All over the world, billions of dollars have started flowing into nuclear fusion startups. It's said that fusion doesn't pollute or emit greenhouse gases, and there's no meltdown risk compared to fission reactors. However, things are not so simple. Elon Musk, among others, argues that fusion is not economically viable. Why not keep developing wind and solar power? The sun is our biggest fusion reactor, with more than enough energy flooding from it. Consumption of energy has been increasing parabolically since the Industrial Revolution. As we diversify our needs, we clearly harm the environment. Stopping fossil fuels is vital by this point. Climate change has already been here for a while, and it's accelerating. And if you'd like to learn some more about the renewable energy industry, here's an amazing Alux video with 15 things about it you probably didn't know. Thanks for watching, Aluxer. We'll see you back here tomorrow.